Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The challenge at hand is related to inserting a .mov video with an alpha channel into a background video using FFmpeg. The issue is that the alpha channel video is only playing once, and we want to loop it every 30 seconds. Let's dive into the solution for this interesting problem. In the solution provided, we start by completing the time of the logovid to 30 seconds and looping it using the loop filter. By looping the video every 30 seconds, we ensure that the alpha channel video repeats as needed for the overlay. This clever trick allows us to achieve the desired effect seamlessly. Now, to implement this solution, the key is to follow the steps outlined in the solution carefully. Completing the time of the logovid to 30 seconds, looping it using the loop filter, and using the looped video as the overlay are crucial steps in achieving the desired outcome. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully loop the alpha channel video every 30 seconds and create a visually appealing composite video. In summary, we've successfully tackled the challenge of looping a .mov video with an alpha channel every 30 seconds for overlay in a background video using FFmpeg. I hope you found this solution helpful and that it resolves your query. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below with your thoughts. Now go forth and create amazing videos with this newfound knowledge.